उसे अपनी माँ का स्कूल आना पसंद नहीं आया। She did not like mother to come to school. She did not like mother to come to school. मैंने कल हिना से इस बारे में बात नहीं की। I did not speak Hina about this yesterday. I did not speak Hina about this yesterday. हिना ने गीता को सब बता दिया। Hina told everything to Geeta. Hina told everything to Geeta. एक समय की बात है, एक राजा था। Once upon a time, there was a king. Once upon a time, there was a king. राजा बहुत बुद्धिमान था। राजा was very intelligent. राजा was very intelligent. एक दिन उसने अपना भेष छिपाया और सिटी में गया। One day he disguised himself and went to the city. One day he disguised himself and went to the city. उसका वफादार नौकर और ड्राइवर उसके साथ थे। His faithful servant and driver were with him. His faithful servant and driver were with him. लोगों ने उन्हें नहीं पहचाना। People did not recognize them. People did not recognize them. उसने अपनी आंखों से अपने लोगों की दयनीय हालत देखी। He saw himself the pity condition of his people. He saw himself the pity condition of his people. वह चिंतित हुआ। He became worried. He became worried. अगले दिन उसने सभी अधिकारियों को कारण बताने का आदेश दिया। Next day he ordered his officers to explain the reasons. Next day he ordered his officers to explain the reasons. राजा को अपने सभी अधिकारियों में भ्रष्टाचार के बारे में मालूम हुआ। The king came to know about corruption among his officers. The king came to know about corruption among his officers. राजा ने सभी भ्रष्टाचारी अधिकारियों को सख्त दंड दिया। The king gave severe punishment to all corrupt officers. The king gave severe punishment to all corrupt officers. इसने काम किया और लोग खुश हुए। This worked and people became happy. This worked and people became happy. अब राजा भी खुश था। Now the king was also happy. Now the king was also happy. भ्रष्टाचार दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ रहा है। Corruption is increasing day by day. Corruption is increasing day by day. हमें भी ऐसे राजा की जरूरत है। We also need such a king. We also need such a king. क्या तुमने कल का अखबार पढ़ा? Did you read yesterday's newspaper? Did you read yesterday's newspaper? क्या मैं रोज अखबार नहीं पढ़ता हूँ? Do I not read newspaper daily? Do I not read newspaper daily? नहीं, मैं तो बस यूं ही पूछ रहा हूँ। No, I am just asking. No, I am just asking. क्या तुमने अपनी शक्ल देखी है? Have you seen your face? Have you seen your face? मैंने 3 बजे अपनी शक्ल देखी है। I have seen my face at 3 o'clock. I have seen my face at 3 o'clock. तुम बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो। You are looking very handsome. You are looking very handsome. क्या तुमने उसकी शिकायत कर दी? Did you complain about him? Did you complain about him? मैंने अपनी सलाह दे दी। I gave my advice. I gave my advice. मैंने कल कुछ वाक्य इंग्लिश में बोले। I spoke few sentences in English yesterday. I spoke few sentences in English yesterday. मैंने अपने शिक्षक और सभी को इसके लिए धन्यवाद दिया। I thank my tutor and all for it. I thank my tutor and all for it. मेरे शिक्षक ने मेरे गंभीर प्रयासों को इसका श्रेय दिया। My tutor gave credit to my sincere efforts. My tutor gave credit to my sincere efforts.